count of 4 main steel parts that make this incredible flat bench, and it's so comfortable. Really easy to make. Let's go see. Okay, to minimize waste, let's cut these first. Piece number 1 are going to be used for the feet. Both legs lean in 15 degrees. So the cut at the top of the leg won't be 45 degrees. It's going to be 37.5. I hope I explained that well. This one cut will create one of the number 2 pieces and the first cut on the number 3 piece. This cut does the same thing, just on the other end. Okay, mark the final 15-degree cut so the legs match. Small tack welds hold your pieces in place so the full welds don't pull them out of alignment. The hole in the brackets will be to hold the pad down. They're all in the same place. I'm going to drill them all together. Grind down all the top welds so the pad will sit flat. Use 3/4 plywood for the pad backer. Center the frame, mark and drill holes for T-nuts. I think it really needs more rounded corners. Install the T-nuts on the same side as the padding. I ordered this foam from Foam by Mail or the Foam Factory. It's enough to cover 3 pieces of exercise equipment. Costs about $40. Using the backer as a template, I marked the foam a 1/2 inch larger on all sides. Okay, yep, this is all I had. It's not necessarily the way to do it. Yep, one more time, using the backer as a template, drawing a 1/2 inch larger all the way around on the vinyl. The 1/2 inch overage on the vinyl is to sew the sides and the top pieces together. Fold the top piece in half and make a mark on the center. The seam from the two side pieces should line up with your center mark. All the stitching is a 1/2 inch in. That's why we made everything a 1/2 inch bigger. Now flip it over, pull it tight, and run a top stitch all the way around the top panel. And this is what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to insert the backer, the foam, inside the vinyl pocket. Staple the vinyl all the way around and tuck the corners in and attach as many staples as you need. These plastic end caps are from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description.